banana bread. If you haven't watched part 1 or part 2 or part 3, go watch it now. And I've decided to make part 4. If you haven't heard of part 3, watch it now so that you can learn how to make it. And I've decided to teach y'all how to make banana bread once again. So, let's get started. Oh, and we have a special guest today. This is Goldie. Everyone say hi, Goldie.
Hi, Goldie.
Okay, now let's get started. First off, I'm going to cut the butter and place it through here.
Look, today we're using 4 bananas. Look how nice and brown they are. These are perfect banana bread bananas. Ready? We're going to need to cover that with a paper towel.
Yeah. And you kids need to cover this butter with the paper towel so that it does not burn. You don't want to burn the ingredient.
You don't want to splatter in the microwave.
Yeah, you really don't want it.
Okay. All right, smash up your bananas.
Smash, 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 smash. Smash, smash, smash. Big Chef?
I'll check on the butter. Yep, it's ready. But we have to get those bananas all smashed up.
Let me check to see if there's some more.
So you can stir it with the knife.
Okay. Careful using this sharp knife. It came out perfect.
Okay. Okie dokie.
Smoky pokey.
All right, now we need 1 cup of butter.
Yeah.
Sugar.
What?
1 cup of
Sugar.
sugar. So that's a third, so we need 3/3.
Yeah, we need 3 out of 3.
3 of 3, okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, put the scooper up and put the sugar up. Oh, time to mix then and sing your mixing song.
Oh, mix, mix, mix along with me. Mixy, maxy, mixy, maxy, mix along with me.
All right, ready for the butter.
Time for the butter. Carefully remove the sharp knife. Pour it carefully so that you don't break the glass. Now, time for that mixing song again. Mix, mix, mix along with me. Mixy, maxy, mixy, maxy, mix along with me.
All right, time for the what next? Egg.
Egg. Yeah. Tap on the egg 3 times. Let's try again. On the table. Oh, I see it's starting to crack.
Crack it again. Either on the ledge or on the counter. Oh, that sounded better. Kind of poke your thumb through there.
Do it without. Good. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Okay.
I did it without touching the egg.
Now we mix the egg up a little bit. We usually use the sharp knife again, but we are very careful.
Use this sharp knife carefully.
Okay, that looks good. Okay, yeah, don't lick that off. All right, ready? Stir that egg into the mix.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, carefully pour the egg. Carefully, kids.
Okay, mixing that up.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix along with me. Mixy, maxy, mixy, maxy, mix along with me. Good. Need this vanilla.
Good.
Mix, mix, mix along with me. Mixy, maxy, mixy, maxy, mix along with me. Good.
Baking soda.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
That's the oven. It's preheated.
And a dash of salt.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget that.
Dash of salt.
Good. Mix, mix, mix along with me. Mixy, maxy, mixy, maxy, mix along with me.
All right, the last ingredient is the 1.5 cups of flour.
Yeah, be careful. It's a little dusty.
That's right, a little bit dusty. You need some help stirring?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. All right, got to be careful. It's very floury.
Mm-hmm.
We have to mix in all of the flour. does that look, Julie?
It looks super.
Time to put it into the loaf pan. Ready?
This is the pan. See, this is the pan where Big Chef is going to pour.
Okay. All right.
And put it in the oven for an hour.
That's right. All right. So you finish up and sign off.
Okay. This is me and Goldie signing off. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to Goldie.